So this one I did, it was probably the best condition of the splitting. So this one is probably the worst. It is just major. I don't think it was like this when I bought it. I think it's been like this for a couple days out in the rain. Also, pretty dirty. The backyard's pretty swampy. So I'm gonna take the hinges off and try it with this one. See if it'll work. If it doesn't, it's garbage anyways. Okay, I'm gonna use this wood glue. I decided to use this. I have some contact cement that I probably should be using for this project, but we'll test this one out. Like I said, I tried to get as much as I could down in all these cracks. So, seams mostly. Wow. A lot better than before. Oh. There's so much glue. Okay. So it worked. It's pretty good. I'm pretty sure that wasn't there anyways, so see how well it holds up. It looks pretty good. Not bad. Way better than yesterday.